How do I use my Fluke CNX 3000 multimeter as both a receiver as well as a modular device? Right now I have my CNX i3000 current module reading the current coming out of my drive. By pressing the receive button, I can now transmit the reading wirelessly from the i3000 into my CNX 3000 multimeter. Device discovery takes a few seconds. It has identified the module, and I can now display that reading on the screen. There are my 6.3 amps, just as I'm reading on my module. Another nice feature, I can change this from a receiver to a module. By turning off the device, I hold down the receive button and turn the meter back on. You will see that the screen will fire up and will say mod, letting you know that it is in modular mode. What I can now do is transmit from both my i3000 as well as my CNX 3000 to my PC via the wireless adapter. I simply, on the screen of my laptop, hit Discover Devices. It will recognize my PC adapter, and in a few seconds it will go out and search for the modules. I can then display the readings on the screen of my laptop. So device discovery has started. We have made a connection, and now via live view I can display the reading from both my module as well as the multimeter, now in modular mode, on the screen of my laptop. And this is how you use the CNX 3000 multimeter as both a receiver as well as a module.